All right, so just like the videos you just watched said, ng makes the ng sound and nk makes the unk sound. So let's go ahead and practice sounding out some of these words together. Let's take a look at the first one. Remember, when we're sounding out an unfamiliar word, we're going to go through the word, say each letter or letter blends sound, and then swipe it to put it all back together. So let's go ahead and do this one. Here we go. Ang, rang. Okay, like I rang the bell. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, here we go. Drink, drink. Okay, like will you hand me my drink? Here we go. Thank, thank. I would like to thank you for the gift you gave me. Wink, wink. Did you see that boy wink at me? And the last one. Bring, bring. Will you bring me my bag? Okay. As you go through the next set of words, remember that ng makes the ng sound and nk makes the unk sound. Those are final blends. This week you will see them at the ends of the words that we are practicing. So now you're going to do the blend and read by yourself and then practice some independent reading.